Concentration, alertness, the ability to adapt, the ability to be flexible, how attentive you are. So we're gonna check 6-7 qualities in 5-7 minutes. Okay, so you need to count numbers from 1 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is instruction 1. 2. Every time you count a number, you have to do a task. The task is very simple again. Either with your right palm, you have to tap your left shoulder, or with your left they go, that person should continue the game. When it comes to 7 up, the last 7, you have to do either this or this. With your right hand, you are pointing towards left. With your left hand, you are pointing towards right. Now, you say 7 up like this. The person on your right will continue again. Whoever does wrong, they are gone. Once again, okay. So we count numbers from 1 to 7. They are gone out of the game. Sir, ఎక్కడికి ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చా? లేదండి, పంపించు. సాయంత్రం 7:30 దాకా ఇక్కడే. అంటే మేము కూడా జోక్ లేదు కదా, మీరే వేస్తారా క్లాస్ అప్పుడు మేమే ఏమైంది. సో సింపుల్ సార్, ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఇస్ she can go tap the left or she can go tap the right. It's her choice. She can change the clockwise or anti-clockwise any time. So now she did 2. She pointed it to me again. So I will again do 3, either on my right or one like this. And this game goes little quicker. It's not like 1, 2. It's not that slow. Okay. It's like, it's quick. Okay. Both of them are out. Ideally, both of them are out. Do you understand?
Yes. Sir, 6 another. E direction ke
direction. Direction changes to direction kella. So నేను ఇటు చూసాను కదా, ఇటు ట్యాప్ చేశాను. డైరెక్షన్. ఓకే, ఐ యామ్ స్టార్టింగ్. yes. నేను ఇక్కడ ట్యాప్ చేస్తే అక్కడ చేయాలి. డైరెక్షన్ ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ ఉండాలి. నేను ఇలా చేసుకోవాలి.
ఫేస్ ఫాలో అవ్వాలి. ఫేస్ ఫాలో అవ్వాలి.
ఈ హ్యాండ్ 6. Okay. 7. 1.
I didn't see you.
1.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out.
Okay, last round. Quickly come back. Yes. Leave your books and everything here. Please don't carry them.